Is dry air making your life uncomfortable? I present to you the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Geniani. This tabletop humidifier is the most powerful on the market and humidifies any room twice as fast as others, producing an astounding 300 milliliters of moisture per hour. It features a sleek modern design with a large clear 3-liter tank that lasts for up to 24 hours or 3 nights per filling. You can easily control the direction of the moisture with its 360-degree nozzle and adjust the mist settings to meet your desired comfort zone. This filter-free humidifier works silently with its whisper quiet technology and features a soothing optional nightlight for a better sleep. It also automatically shuts off when the water level is too low or the tank is taken off. When you order the ETL certified Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, you get 24/7 customer support and makes your purchase totally safe. So what are you waiting for? Improve the air quality by ordering your Geniani Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier today.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. Vixene is the noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh! Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the Vixene humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.